Okay, an update on the wiring. I've got all those little blocks for tie downs, but this area here is a lot tighter than it was on the last boat. Last boat, we had the block out there in the middle. This, we moved it over here, and instead of bringing the wires in from the outside, we ran them up through the middle. And that definitely tightened some things up. And we also moved the switch panel from here to there. That way you could put a nice speaker here if you want. Yeah, and this tube works a lot better than putting those wooden blocks down through there. You just run all the cables through and even the fuel line if you want. But yeah, just a quick update on this one. It's definitely getting a lot nicer with each one. Thank you.